This video shows you how to connect your Epson printer to a wireless network. In this demonstration, you will be using a temporary USB cable to simplify setup. The cable is only temporary. You'll disconnect the USB cable when setup is complete. Before you start, make sure you have a wireless network already set up. Your network may include one or more computers or devices and an internet modem connected to a router. Before making a connection, make sure that your router is wireless. Now, let's set up your Epson printer and add it to your network. When you're done, you'll be able to print wirelessly from your computer. You can add the ability to print from another computer later on. Follow the steps on the Start Here sheet. The Start Here sheet shows you how to physically set up your printer. When you get here, install your printer software. Insert the CD that came with your printer. If you do not have a CD drive, download and run the product's software package from the Epson support site. Click Install. Follow the instructions on the screen to install the software. This can take several minutes. At this screen, select how you want to connect. Since you want to print wirelessly, select Wireless Connection and click Next. Select Set up Printer for the first time and click Next. The installer may be able to detect your wireless settings and automatically connect your product to your network. If this is your first time setting up your printer, select Yes and click Next. Then follow the on-screen instructions. If you prefer to set up the wireless connection manually, select No to manually add your printer to your network, then click Next. If you did not see the Auto Connect screen or chose to manually set up your printer, you see this screen. Since you'll be using a USB cable, select Using Temporary USB Cable Connection and click Next. When you see this screen, click Next. Wait for the printer to finish priming the ink before continuing, and click Next when it is complete. When you see this screen, plug a USB cable into any available USB port on your computer. Then, plug the other end of the cable into the USB port on the back of your printer. Your printer is detected. Click Next to allow setup to continue. When you see this screen, select the name of your wireless network in the list and click Next. If you see this screen, enter your network password and click Next. When you see a message telling you to remove the USB cable, disconnect the cable from your computer and printer, then click OK. Click Print Test Page if you want to confirm the network connection. Your Epson product is now ready to print wirelessly. If you want to print from another computer, insert the CD that came with your printer. If you do not have a CD drive, download and run the product's software package from the Epson support site. When you get to this step, select The printer is already on my wireless network. Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to install the software. You can repeat this process for additional computers. You are now ready to print wirelessly from your computers.